Matt here with 911R on Brain Trailer. We have this really special 2008 C4S in a really special macadamia color exterior metallic. It's a beautiful car. It's a really special, different, unique color. You're not going to see another one like it. It's all original paint. We've checked everything on the car. It's completely original. The interior is a beautiful dark brown leather interior. It's fully equipped with all the right options that they would have, including Sport Chrono. The most special thing about this car, really makes it unique, is it's a factory X51 package. That is a big power boost. It was a very expensive option on these cars and really rare to find. You're just not going to see them. The car has the factory turbo style wheels on it, red brake calipers. Let's open up the back so we can see this, the X51 package. Back here, the X51, you can tell it because it has the factory carbon fiber airbox, and it has the X51 tailpipes on it. But it's quite a bit different. If you look it up online and see the spec difference, it's really a different build, all the complete. It's not just a bolt-on little extra that Porsche did. It's quite a very expensive option as well. Again, coming through around this car, you can see the paint's pristine on it. The interior's pristine. This is just the one to get, and it's just perfect. So give us a call if you have any questions, want any other details, and we can be happy to help out and show you a fabulous rare 997. Thank you.